Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll just be showing you guys how I'm going to make this okra soup. Okay, see, let me tell you, don't rush, don't rush watching this video. Just sit down and enjoy the goodness of this video. Okay, so these are my protein. This is me just putting my margarine and salt. So I just left it for fire to be done. So while I'm slicing my onions, okay, so I don't know, I like to use onions. So many people say they don't use onions to cook their okra or okbolo. Even if it's okbolo, I normally use my okra. So your method is not my method. So okay, I'm just going on to wash the okra. I just brought it out from the fridge. As you can see, is block. Yeah, is block. Okay, so this okra like this weather is what you need, like this cold weather. So I will not be missing my okra today. So it has been long I do only okra, so I decided to make only okra today. So I will be using my salt to wash this okra. First of all, I just want to melt it because the okra is really blocked. So this is me just putting my salt. Okay, wash it really well. Okay, so just using this filter to take it out. Guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I say don't go yet, enjoy, watch this video to the end. Okay, if you learn one or two things, just let me know. Stirring my ingredients, just stirring it so that it will mix properly where in my protein. Okay, so guys, I didn't know if this pot is going to contain what is about to go down inside that pot. Okay. So I'm just cutting my okra, okay, to my satisfaction. And then after cutting everything, I'm just going to pound it. Some people, they normally leave it like that. I don't like it. I like my okra to be matched, Do you know what I mean? Okay, so this is my small mortar, okay, that I will be using to just blend this thing really well. Not as smooth, but at least match it really well. So let me know if you prefer the one they have matched, or you just prefer the one you just put it like that. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so this is me taking out my catfish out from the fire, okay, because I don't want it to scatter. Okay, so this is my big red oil. See, very beautiful red oil. Okay, the ones I've been using before, I don't really like this one, so they just somebody actually recommended this one for me, then I got it. And guys, I must say this one is one of the best red oil that I've ever used. Okay, so this is me just putting this okra that I've already matched inside my protein, guys. Ooh, at this time, if you are watch up to this time, just give me my flour. Like, are you getting so demure? So this is me putting on my crayfish and all that. So this is locust beans. I don't know what they call it, but it's native margarine. That's what they call it. So I put my innocent baby crayfish. So this is my ebe varier. So I'm just putting only 2, okay, for this. So this is my dry fish, the fish that we roasted the other day. So I will not be using fresh fish these days. I will be using dry fish, but dry fish, the giving is everything. So this is me just putting back my catfish in peace. Like, ooh, wow, guys, see what I am showing you. Like are you getting ready for your pando, or what are you going to use this to eat? Just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so it is ready. Let's serve it. At this point, Obi was telling me the food is not yet ready. I was saying, calm down, I need to create content. Guys, what do you think? Very demure, right? Okay, please guys, like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.